Hello, welcome to Hoover Automotive's Mechanics Minute. We have a client that came to us with a knocking noise in the engine that they said they've been driving for a while. I would ask if anyone has loud noises coming from their engine bay, don't drive it very long. Take it to your trusted shop. We were able to diagnose right away that a valve spring had broken, which was causing a backfire. That backfire melted the intake. Source, research, find a trusted shop that knows how to diagnose problems quickly and efficiently. Also, we all know vehicles make sounds that they're supposed to. If you hear a noise, get it to your shop as quickly as possible. Thank you.